Welcome to our guide on using spreadsheet software at a basic level. We'll explore essential functions like data entry, formula application, and data organization, helping you create functional and efficient spreadsheets for various purposes. To start, creating a new spreadsheet is simple. Open a blank spreadsheet from the software's file menu, like in Microsoft Excel. This provides a fresh canvas for entering and organizing your data effectively. Entering data into a spreadsheet involves typing information into cells, which are arranged in rows and columns. For instance, you might input product names in one column and their prices in another, setting the foundation for data analysis. Applying basic formulas is crucial for calculations. You can perform operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For example, use the SUM formula to total expenses, streamlining your financial management tasks. Formatting cells enhances data presentation. You can format cells to display data as currency, percentages, or dates. This ensures clarity, such as showing prices in a currency format for easy understanding. Organizing data is made easy with sorting and filtering options. You can sort columns alphabetically or by numerical value and apply filters to focus on specific data sets, like sorting clients by sales volume. Once your spreadsheet is complete, saving and printing are essential steps. Save your work for future reference or print it for meetings, ensuring your data is accessible and presentable when needed. In conclusion, mastering basic spreadsheet software skills allows you to manage data efficiently, perform calculations, and create organized documents. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of essential spreadsheet functions.